Hi everyone, welcome to Mr. Queen PH. For those who are new here, my name is Rowena. I'm an intuitive tarot reader here on YouTube for more than 3 years now. In today's reading, we will see what are the changes coming to you in the next 6 months from the time that you watch this video. But before we begin, I just want to give a huge shout out to Keen for sponsoring this video. If you're looking for a reading personalized to your unique situation, Keen helps you connect with gifted psychics, tarot readers, and astrologers. All you have to do is to create an account and choose an advisor from the hundreds of readers online. These readers have unique specialties designed to provide guidance to your situation. You can choose whichever reader best suits your goals, and you'll be able to connect with them via phone call or text chat. You can always have a reading whenever you want, wherever you are, because Keen is available to help you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. I always get a reading from Keen just to see the energies coming to me, especially if I have a major decision to make. I'm amazed with the accuracy and the clarity that I get from my favorite advisor. That's why it's still best to get a personal psychic reading because it is directed only to your energies. Now, here's your chance to get a personalized reading from Keen because as a new customer, you can try your first 5-minute reading for only $1. Just go to trykeen.com/QOP or click the link in my description to connect with a Keen advisor. You can also scan this QR code so you can easily access the website. This is a great deal to start a psychic reading online. Imagine it's only $1 for a 5-minute reading. Again, that's trykeen.com/QOP. The link is on the description and on the pinned comment to get a reading and enjoy a huge discount. Thank you so much for sitting through that, and thank you so much, Keen, for this opportunity. Now, let's go to your reading. Okay, Scorpio, let's see what are the changes coming to you in the next 6 months. From the time na mapanood nyo ang reading na to, this is a general reading, just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages, and thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay. Pa-follow, like na rin ang ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan, Mr. Queen PH. Like, share, subscribe, turn on post notifications para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. And if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong 30% discount extended hanggang March 31, 2024. So, meron tayong link sa description at sa pin comment kung gusto nyong mag-book. Okay. Scorpio, let's see changes sa inyo in the next 6 months for Scorpio. Okay, you have peace. Ayan, peace of mind. Kapayapaan ng isip. Yung iba naman sa inyo merong makikipag-ayos, makikipagbate. So, pwedeng ikaw to na makikipag-ayos, makikipagbate, or there's someone in your life na magbibigay ng peace offering. You also have loyal heart. If you're in a relationship in the next 6 months, mas lalong magiging matatag ang inyong relasyon ng iyong person. So, yung iba naman sa inyo, kung ito'y trabaho or business, you will be more loyal, committed, no? Mas may commitment ka sa iyong trabaho, sa iyong career, sa iyong business. You also have serendipity. Ang ganda. So, ito ay swerte, good luck. Ayan, no? May pag-angat, umaangat ka, nag-i-improve. Oo. And ano man tong mga ipinupurso mo ngayon, may kasama siyang swerte, no? So, kung ano man to, trabaho mo, business mo, your relationship. So, in the next 6 months, may good luck. Kaya samantalahin ang energy na yan. Mas maganda na mas maging productive, mas maging creative, para yung good luck, mas marami. 'Di ba? Oo, tinan pa natin. You have Gemini energy, so this is networking, connecting with other people. Yung iba may mga studies, no, pag-aaral na gagawin. Pwede ring research, collaboration, working with other people. Yung iba, business, no, with Capricorn energy. This is also about discipline. So I think mas magiging kayo ngayon, determinado, disiplinado sa inyong mga goals sa buhay, especially in your career. Mas structured kayo ngayon, mas, kumbaga may clarity kung saang direction yung tatahakin mo. Hindi yung bahala na si Batman, 'di ba? Oo. Let's see ano pa in the next 6 months. I also see you na mas may mabubuo yung ambisyon sa Kasi kung dati parang bahala na kung ano na lang, 'di ba? Ngayon parang alam mo na ito yung gusto kong mangyari in the next 6 months. Ganon. Alam mo yung gusto mo. May goal. You also have the spider. So a spider is about uh, yung details, no? Pagiging detalyado. Paying attention to details. Ayan. And also trusting yourself. So, meron kang pagtitiwala sa iyong sariling kakayanan. And this is also your life's purpose. So, in the next 6 months, ipapakita sa'yo kung ano yung iyong destiny, yung iyong life's purpose. You have the bee. Ang B is about being focused on your goals. This is also about trajectory to success. Kita mo yan, may hairline siya. So, ibig sabihin, meron siyang goal. Meron siyang gustong ma-achieve. So, in the next 6 months, pagtatrabahuhan mo yan. No? Kung ito ay, example, gusto mong ma-promote, in the next 6 months, pagtatrabahuhan mo yan. No? Or kung meron kang gustong ma-achieve na sales sa iyong business in the next 6 months, you'll also work hard for that. Parang you're going to be as busy as a bee. You have the 2 of cups. Iba sa inyo. Papasok talaga sa relationship. You have the 10 of swords and the 5 of cups. I see this as a new relationship, no? Kasi yung iba sa inyo meron nang ni-let go. Oo. In the next 6 months, meron kayong i-let go energy from your past or pwedeng current situation nyo na nagkakalabuan na kayo. Oo. And then, magkakaroon ng opportunity na mayroong bagong mamuong relationship na, magbo-blossom in the next 6 months. So, hindi ka masyadong, mawawala ng love life. Oh, you have the death card. Transformation changes. There's an ending. Some of you may be cutting off connections with this person. Someone who is very toxic. Parang iniisip mo na siya, hindi na siya helpful sa'yo. Kumbaga, kahit wala ka naman talagang major problem, nagkakaproblema ka dahil maaring pati yung problema niya, dinadala niya rin sa'yo. So, ngayon, mas magiging maingat ka na sa mga taong papapasukin mo sa buhay mo. Very, very careful ka na. You have the Emperor. So, the Emperor is energy ng Aries. This is being in control of your life. So, hindi mo nahahayaan na ibang tao ang mag-control sa buhay mo. Ikaw yung mas merong plano. Ayan, 4 of Pentacles. Especially sa iyong finances and sa iyong pag-iipon, savings. Pwede kasing iba sa inyo, kapag may naiipon na kayo, biglang utangin ng kamag-anak, kapamilya, hindi nyo matanggihan. So, ngayon, in the next 6 months, magiging talagang disiplinado kayo na kahit anong mangyari, hindi nyo gagalawin yung inyong ipon. Kasi gusto nyo makita kung hanggang magkano, yung maiipon ninyo at kung magagawa nyo talaga. Ayan, meron kayong sapat na lakas ng loob na gawin. Isa katuparan yung mga plans ninyo. Kumbaga, slowly but surely. Hindi man siya ganun ka overnight success, but definitely long-term success to. Kailangan lang talaga andun yung diskarte mo, andun yung lakas ng loob mo na hindi ka mawawalan agad ng ng gana. Oo. Kahit mahirap, ayan you remain standing. As long as talagang paghihirapan mo or pagtatrabahuhan mo, may mga sacrifices, of course, pero that's part of the journey. Ayan talaga yun. Kailangan nating magsakripisyo pa minsan-minsan para sa katuparan ng ating mga pangarap. You have the Queen of Pentacles. In the next 6 months, don't worry about your resources. Yung mga pangangailangan mo ay maibibigay sa'yo, provided yan. You have the 8 of Swords. So, ito yung setting ng limitations, no, sa buhay mo. So, iwasan mo na parang ilimit lang yung sarili mo sa mga bagay na akala mo yun lang yung kaya mong gawin. Marami ka pang kayang gawin, pwedeng i-explore. But of course, well-calculated risk din naman yan, no? Hindi naman pwedeng, yung pabugso-bugso or padalos-dalos ka ng desisyon. Kailangan din naman yan pag-iisipan. Okay? So, that is your reading, Scorpio. Thank you so much. Bye!